welcome to Prudent Media News. First a look at the top stories. Women's Quota Bill gets through in Rajya Sabha, 7 MPs suspended for unruly behaviour in the House. Women politicians in state happy over passing of the bill. Goa to have 13 lady MLAs in the next assembly. ZP results out. Congress NCP back candidates sweep polls. Babu Shushwajit candidates win. Drug peddler Tala finally arrested at Morji. Crime branch to handle the case. It's a prudent media impact. And Sporting Club de Goa denied victory as Mumbai FC log in late equalizer. Flaming Orange wait for first I-League win continues. And now the news in detail. Historic Women's Reservation Bill finally got through in the Rajya Sabha. Amidst chaos and uproar, Congress-led government got the bill passed, garnering 186 votes. Ruling party was supported by the BJP, left and others. 7 MPs were suspended for their unruly behaviour in the House. Government says it won't be a problem to get the bill passed in Lok Sabha.
Those in favour will please say aye. Those against will please say no. I think the ayes have it. Division.
Sir, honourable members, I am starting the voting process now. The voting time starts now.
Bill was considered with a voice vote and was put to discussion amid slogans from opponents. Samajwadi Party and Rashtriya Janata Dal opposed this bill. The MPs of these parties were demanding quota within the quota for OBC and Muslims. They were demanding a debate over this demand. They continued shouting slogans against the bill in the House. Hence, the proceedings had to be adjourned thrice. The bill was finally considered with a voice vote and was later passed with 2/3 majority. Samajwadi Party and Rashtriya Janata Dal MPs tried to disrupt the proceedings of the House despite the warning of Chairman Hamid Ansari. After adjourning the House once, they were later suspended for their unruly behaviour in the House. However, despite suspension order, some of the MPs did not withdraw from the House. 7 members of Rajya Sabha belonging to SP, RJD, LJP and unattached MPs were suspended for remaining part of the budget session. The bill reserves 33% seats for women in Lok Sabha and State Assembly. Bill, if passed in both the Houses of Parliament, 13 seats in 40 members Goa Assembly will be reserved for women. That means 13 constituencies will be headed by women. Bureau Report, Prudent Media. Women with political background in Goa are happy with passing of Women's Reservation Bill. This bill has brought happiness as 33% seats in Lok Sabha and State Assembly will be reserved for women. That means 13 seats in 40-member Goa Assembly will be reserved for women.
बायलांची जर उदरगत जाय आनी ओवरऑल सिनारियो तर सगळो आमचो हाजो चेंज जावंक जाय नाल्यार बायलांचो पॉलिटिक्सान इनवॉल्वमेंट आसूंकूच जाय. बायल पॉलिटिक्सान वतकूच म्हाका दिसता सगळो आमचो भारताचो एक हे आसा पळय तोच चेंज जावंक शकता.
जेन्ना 33% रिजर्वेशनाचो बिल पास जाता आनी महिला जेन्ना विधानसभेचेर किंवा लोकसभेचेर वतल्यो तेन्ना अशेंच काम करतले आनी म्हाका दिसता देशाच्या राजकारणान खुबश्यो सुदारणा जातल्यो अशें दिसता म्हाका.
डेफिनेटली बायलांक हेल्प जातलेच कित्याक आनी पळय बायलां हुशार आसतना पासून कितले इम्पॉर्टन्स दिताले बायलांक. कितले असेंब्लीन बायलो आसा. हांव एकटी आसा.
13 वर्सां गेली हो काळ तसो खूब व्हडलो पण पास जावप ही आमच्या समस्त ज्यो बायलो आसात त्यांच्या दृश्टीन एक आनंदाची गजाल जावन गेल्ली आसा. आतां महिला आरक्षण विधेयक जालें जाल्यार नक्कीच बायलांक फायदो जातलो. आमचो जो समाज आसा तो थोडोसो पुरुष प्रधान आसा आनी ताका लागून जरी इच्छा असली तरी सुद्धा काही कारणाक लागून खूब फावटी बायलांक डावल्ले गेले तांकां जाय तशे तिकिटी मेळूंक ना कारण ते आरक्षण खंयच नसले सगळे उलयतात की ना महिलांक आरक्षण मेळपाक जाय बायलांची इतली पर्सेंटेज आसा 50% बायलां वोटर्स आसा सगळें खरें आसा पण ही सगळे बॉलाची कडी आनी बॉलाचोच भाग.
A senior reporter from Panji, Rakesh Kanolkar, with video journalist Ganesh Hodkar for Prudent Media. It seems Congress NCP-backed candidates have dominated the ZP polls in the state. Election results were declared on Tuesday. 48 constituencies have got new ZP members, but ZP President Amol Moraskar faced the defeat. The ZP election of 48 constituencies was held on Sunday. The counting was held on Tuesday at Taluka headquarters. Most of the candidates with political support have tasted the victory.
आयज हो विजय म्हाजो न्ही म्हाज्या सगळ्या म्हाजो बाबाक लागून आयज विजय जाल्लो सांगा विश्वजीत राणे खातीर.
म्हाका खूप छान दिसलें स्पेशली 4 पंचायती सगळ्या लोकांनी म्हाका सपोर्ट केलो त्यांचो आशीर्वाद घेवं म्हणटा.
बी इलेक्टेड फॉर द सेकंड टर्म and I am more happy that I have created a family along with my husband.
माझ्या विजयाचे सगळे माझ्या आमदार आणि बाकीचे सगळे आमचे जे कार्यकर्ते आसा चारय पंचायतीचे कार्यकर्त्यांनी दिसतात आमसाठी काम केले आसा.
दयानंद नार्वेकर आमचे दयानंद नार्वेकरचे सपोर्टर आणि आमचे हे सगळे कार्यकर्ते हय काँग्रेसची हे झाली.
हे काँग्रेस पक्षाचा विजय असं झाला असा आणि हे गुरुदास गावचे कार्य केले हे गुरुदास गावचा माझ्या सगळं सोपयला तसंच हांव फुडें सुद्दां हे काँग्रेस पार्टीचे काम करतलो आणि बाबाचेय आमचं सहकार्य आसले प्रमाणे आणि म्हाका जास्त वोट मेळ्ळे.
त्या विश्वासाची पावती हांव तांच्या बरोबर खरेंच कामां करून जावं आणि तांच्यो अडचणी समजून कार्य करपाची चडांत चड प्रयत्न करतलें.
आनी सांगूंक सोदता सेंट लॉरेन्स कॉन्स्टिट्युन्सी हांव चड बरी करतलो काम करून.
आय एम व्हेरी हॅपी. आमचे कार्यकर्ते भरपूर वावरले आमकां लागून आणि आमचे चोडण कॉन्स्टिट्युन्सीचे सगळे कार्यकर्ते जे आमचे
तसं आमगे सरांनी आमच्या सगळ्या लोकांनी खूप खोस गेलो वकसांनी बी आमी खूप खुशी आमचो जो तेणे बी चड गेला तो
पार्टीचे वीच पार्टी
काँग्रेस. I was supported by Churchill Ammo and Philip Neri.
आता सेमी फायनलाकच आम्ही रिकॉर्ड किती आता आमच्या सगळ्या कार्यकर्त्यांनी दाखवून दिला आणि फायनल हो आमचा विजय झालो त्याच्याबद्दल आणि दुबाव ना.
रेवळ मतदारसंघातले दोन्ही जिल्हा पंचायतीचे उमेदवार भरघोस मतान निवडून आयिल्ले आसा आणि त्याका महाराष्ट्रवादी गोमांतक पक्षाचो पूर्ण पाठिंबो आशिल्लो.
And all anti-Congress voters had joined together in Kalamut constituency. And however, Abelina has managed to win. It is not me or anybody. It is Abelina who's managed the victory.
No, I think things are improving actually compared to the first Zilla Parishad when we had the first election. Things are improving, and I think more power should be given to Zilla Parishad.
आमच्या उमेदवारा उडोवपाक खूबसो प्रयत्न केलो. खूबशे लोक एकत्र झाले आणि तडजोड केली. खंयच्याय पद्दतीन खुशाली मेळपाक फुडेंतले अशें ते जिद्दीन कार्य केलें.
In Santa Cruz, when we concentrate there, 101% we can get there. There is no doubt. We'll see. Yes, we'll try our best.
And now we have swept Dabolim, we have swept Kordalim, and I'm sure this wave will go further in the municipal elections in Vasco and Murmagaon. I want to tell in advance. I will be leading Murmagaon from the front.
However, there are some candidates who are shocked with the results. However, in Kolwa constituency, Nelly Rodriguez is elected unopposed, while in Navili, election has been postponed due to the death of the candidate. Bureau Report, Prudent Media. We'll take a short break here. Stay tuned.